Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be looking what are the options available for us to launch an application. It might be a website, it might be a WordPress website or a Joomla website or an Angular application or a Node application. What are the options we have in AWS so that we can launch our application and get it run. So initially, if at all you are taking any applications, you have two options. One is an EC2 service or a light sale. So again, EC2 services is nothing but your dedicated server. So if at all you have any specific requirements, then you can go with your EC2. But whereas if you don't have any specific knowledge on the hosting side and you wanted to have some default settings, then you can go with the light sale, because in light sale you have more options. So let me show you. So this is a light sale. So when I create a new instance, so first I can select my location. I can change my location here. Then I can go for a platform that is Linux or a Microsoft. Then I can select do I need any specific application in it or only an OS. So if you want to start from scratch, then you can go with an OS only. If not, then you can just select apps and OS. So if you're launching an WordPress website, you can go with this. Or you're hosting multiple WordPress websites, you can go with this option. For any CMS which works on PHP framework, you can go with LAMP. Or for Angular or any JavaScript related applications, you can go with Node.js. Or for Mean, or for Drupal, or for Magento, Joomla. These are multiple options you have. Otherwise, you're directly looking for a reseller to have a reseller hosting space in AWS, then you can just go with Plesk or a cPanel. So this is for PrestaShop and this is for Django. Django is again a Python framework. So depending on your requirement, you can just select them and then you have an option. These are your server options. So first one is your RAM space, virtual CPUs, and then your space, available space, or you can say storage space, and this is your bandwidth. So depending on your requirement, you can select whatever you wanted. So you have till $160, starting from $10 per month to $160 per month. For $160, you will get 32 GB of RAM and 8 virtual CPUs and 640 GB of SSD and a 7 TB of data transfer. So if not, you can again just select for memory, as per memory or as per processor or as per storage or as per transfer data. Then when you just click, then it gets created. This is how you will create a light sale. And this is your EC2 instance. Just click on instance. You can launch an instance. Again, here also you have an options. If you click on AWS Marketplace, so these are the multiple options. You can go with OpenVPN installed in your server, or you can even just look for WordPress or Node. You see, mean certificate with by Bitnami or only Node.js. You see blockchain, and you have a Bitcoin also here. So you even have a Joomla also. So these are the servers where you'll get these applications installed by default. So if you're planning to run only one application, then you can go with this. Or if you're planning to run multiple, then it's better you go with a, let me show you. Yeah, you can go with these servers. So here again you have an option. So you can just select your servers, and then you can select your bits also, 64 bit or 32 bit. So these are the options. So once you select, and then you need to follow the other processes. So how to create an EC2 instance, you will be seeing it in the next video. So these are the options available with us if at all you are launching any application. Again, depending on your requirement, if you are looking for any dedicated servers, then you can go with an EC2 instance. If you are looking for any VPS kind of thing, then you can go with a Lightsail. So Lightsail doesn't have any in-depth of options. So for in-depth of options, you can go, because whenever you choose an instance, if I select this, I have large variety of options to select from. So these are the instances, as I said, and these are the generations I can select. So if I say only T2, I'll be seeing only T2 instances, or T3 instances. If you see, the virtual CPUs and the memory and the instance storage also available. So for all this you will be getting a 30 GB of storage free. So more than that you will be getting charged again. So again, as I said, if you are looking for a dedicated and you know the exact specifications to run your application, then you can go with an EC2 instance and select any of this. And the major advantage of EC2 is you will have one free tier instance eligible for any account. So you can start the working with one virtual CPU and 1 GB of RAM for your server. But whereas in Lightsail you won't have this option, you need to directly select from the available options here, that is from $10 to $60, sorry, $160 per month. Yeah, sorry, it's starting from 3.5, that is 512 MB, one virtual CPU and 20 GB of space. So if you have any doubts, please drop it in the comments. Please subscribe for new videos, and stay tuned. Have a nice day. Bye.